We talked in the jobs plan about creating sector-specific strategies that would help guide our work. And so I'm pleased to be here today to announce the first of one of those strategies. It's a 5-year tourism strategy that we are calling Gaining the Edge. It will maximize economic growth and job creation all across our province. You, in this room, have put an incredible amount of work into this document, and it really does belong to you as much as it does to the government. It will grow tourism revenues by 5% a year, up to $18 billion by 2016. And it outlines 5 specific areas where we will grow tourism. First, we are going to focus on key products. So examples of those key products are Aboriginal tourism, ecotourism, outdoor adventure, touring vacations, conventions and meetings, city experiences, and our great skiing and snowboarding you'll find in every part of British Columbia. Second, the strategy targets markets where our products have the greatest growth potential. Third, the strategy focuses on facilitating world-class experiences. And that means more partnerships with local governments and businesses to make sure that we are market ready. Fourth, it means working with industry to remove the barriers for growth, not unlike what we're trying to do with all kinds of other industries in British Columbia, and making sure that you have workers that have the skills that you need to provide the very unique services that each of you provides. And fifth, it means creating a stable action plan for predictable long-term funding. We cannot stay the world's best-kept secret. We have a chance to outperform every other economy in Canada. And we have a plan that belongs not just to government, one that also belongs to you. And if we can work on this together, if we can see this plan as a plan that doesn't belong to government, it doesn't belong to one party, it belongs to every single person in British Columbia, we can make the most of this chance. We can take this opportunity and we can reach out around the world and welcome them here into our great province. I believe that this is our chance to lead. It is our chance to step up in confederation and do more than we ever have for Canada. And that is why we called that plan, Canada Starts Here. Thank you so much.